Today's recipe is Paccheri with Pomodoro Secco. Okay, so what about the ingredients? We have dry tomatoes, we have walnuts, we have pine nuts, we have Italian bacon, this is pancetta, we have pecorino, cheese, tomato paste, this is passata, it's just tomato puree, parsley, chili peppers in flakes, salt, olive oil, mezzi paccheri. So don't be afraid, it will be very easy to make this recipe, like only Babbo can teach you. Where is my wine? Thank you! Okay, let's start opening the wine. Before starting, I want all the ingredients ready to use. So I will cut the parsley, I will crush the walnuts, and I'm gonna toast the pine nuts first. So now we're gonna start cutting our parsley. So now we are toasting the pine nuts because the smell and the taste would be better. It's time to crush our walnuts. Okay, olive oil. We put the extra virgin olive oil in the pan and we start with the pancetta. We are cooking the pancetta with the extra virgin olive oil just to give the pancetta a different color. So after like 2 minutes you can take your dry tomatoes . We have to help the tomatoes to feel more comfortable, you know, in the pan. So we are gonna add our tomato sauce. Now it's time to add our concentrated tomato paste. It's not just for the color, because you know you can see our sauce is red, but the taste of the tomato paste a little bit stronger and is nice with the pancetta and the bitter of the walnuts and the pine nuts. So now it's time to use our nuts. So the pine nuts and the walnuts, salt, and a little bit of peperoncino, dry chili. Now our sauce is ready. Look how nice it looks. The problem is that you cannot smell it. So it's very easy, you don't have to cook almost nothing, just the tomato sauce. Let's turn it off and wait for the pasta water to boil. So the water is boiling and it's time to dip our paccheri in the fucking water. High speed gas. So 13 minutes for our paccheri. Maybe you can pick another kind of pasta, doesn't matter. So, but I love paccheri. My favorite pasta are spaghetti and paccheri. Cheers. Salute. It's boiling again. pasta.
So now our pasta is ready, and I already turned on the sauce. We're gonna finish cooking the pasta with the sauce. Let's go. It's time to feed. It's for eating, huh? No more paccheri here. No more Paccheri. So, let's dance, baby. Look at the colors of the Paccheri. And if they look dry, you can add a little bit of pasta water.
Buon appetito.
Paccheri are one of my favorite kind of pasta. Why? Because inside Paccheri you can find surprises. I want to thank my friend from Connecticut. They request this recipe, and I want to say hi to all our friends all around the world. So kisses for everybody, and especially for you guys. Happy New Year! Buon anno a tutti! Buon année! Feliz nuevo año! Bye!